Hello there. This is episode 3 of the Ultimate WooCommerce Webshop, and today I'm going to do it a little bit different than I did in the previous episodes. So normally I show how I have implemented something, and today I'm going to implement it live for you. So yesterday I added a frequently asked questions section and inserted the questions and answers with the help of AI. And what I want to do today is showing you how I can add schema data so that search engines can index the frequently asked questions even better. So this is the current URL in schema.org. Here you see all the schema data. And what I would like to do is add a schema FAQ page and question answer structure to the page based on the advanced custom fields values here. So I am using the Rank Math SEO plugin, and they have a schema section, but I am going to try to implement the frequently asked questions live with you programmatically. So let's open the Visual Studio Code where my theme is. So this is Hello Elementor child theme. It's a child theme of Hello Elementor. And I'm going to try to implement the frequently asked questions schema data now. So first, let's search for Cloud AI and ask it, does Rank Math have hooks or filters to add custom schema data? WordPress plugin. Okay. So probably these are the filters. Rank Math schema, and this is specifically for an article. I would like to add schema data to a product page for frequently asked questions. The questions and answers are stored in a advanced custom fields repeater field with the name frequently asked questions. Can you help me with this? Okay, so it says can use this hook. I don't know for sure if it's good to add it to product, but let's see. Okay, so in my functions.php I already have a file included for product where I'm adding functionalities related to the product. So here I'm going to add a filter, and this filter is going to be this. Oh yeah, by the way, I'm using GitHub Copilot, the AI tool, to code with me. Let me quickly change this. This add product schema. So I'm using this function. Function add product schema. Schema. Let me see. Let me quickly close this. Okay, let's see. First it checks if the page is a product page. I think I prefer to do it like this. So get field, yes, it understands me already. If empty FAQs return schema. So if there are no FAQs, you can just return the normal schema data. And then for each FAQs as FAQ, schema FAQ, okay. Let me see what it does here. Here it says something different. Let's see what happens if I do this. I'm going to push it to production. Okay, let me get a new test. FAQ, nothing added. Okay. Let me first check if this is at least running. Very quick. If this is at least a filter, an existing filter. No. Nothing happening. Then let's try if this is running. Let me push this. Okay. Okay, this does something. Well, let's see if rank math has another hook. Rank math schema hook. Let me see if it has a schema. Data. Okay, so I decided to pause the video for half an hour to search for a hook for rank math, and then I found out that it's not super easy to implement schema data via a rank math filter directly. They use their own structure. So what I decided to do is to just add another set of schema data and just include it in the head of the website for now. So now you can see in the schema validator that there is another FAQ section added now with 0 problems. So for now I stick with this, and maybe later I implement it according to the rank math documentation. So let me quickly show you what I did. So I added a hook to the WP head filter, and then I check for the product, and then if the product is there, I check for the global product to get the idea, and then from there on I get my frequently asked questions from the metadata. And then if there is metadata, then I initiate a new schema part. And then I loop over each frequently asked questions. And then I add to the main entity, I add a type of question. And then the name is the question. And then the accepted answer is the answer from the field. Then I JSON encode the data, and then I just echo out a JSON script with this type, and then from there you get the right result. So maybe in the future I'm implementing it differently, but for now this was the quickest version to do it with rank math. So every product now is enriched with schema data for frequently asked questions. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and see you in the next time.